The member for Tambul Nebilia commended the Department of Implementation and Rural Development for visiting districts and provinces for inspection.
This country, we need to fix it. We need to take back PNC. You contribute, I contribute, and then I'll do it. You black, I'm checking. You check him, you black Kamarto district, that's a very, very good job.
The Chief Executive Officer of Tambul Nebilia DDA, Philip Talpa, presented a physical report on the inspection conducted by the Department of Implementation and Rural Development.
The team from here, I think, and they went up and we took them physically around to the project sites, and they basically have a fair knowledge of what the district setup is like and what we have carried out some of the projects that we are reporting.
He said the administration is committed to ensuring services are delivered.
We're the biggest district in Western Islands, 3 LLGs, 96 council votes. We're the biggest district in the province, but we try to be the model in the province, and service and delivery attempts. At least we are covering the entire district of Tambul Nebilia.